birthday to you.
Hey loves, hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Nashin Mobeen. I make fashion, beauty, lifestyle vlogs and fun challenges with my friends. So if anything falls under your genre, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. So a few days ago, I have posted this story on my Instagram giving you the authority of choosing my makeup for a day, and you guys have done an amazing bomb.com job at it. I am so happy with all your choices. So I've been eyeing this challenge for at least 4 months, and now I am here with my own version. So if you guys want to know what products I have used, how I've created this makeup look, the choices, the polls, then continue watching. Okay, so before starting with any sort of makeup, I asked my Instagram family to choose some skincare for me. Today I was planning to mask. So for masking I have 2 options. So the first option was a sheet mask and the other option was a peel off mask. I really wanted a sheet mask to win, and that happened. So here I have a Tolly Molly's 3 sheet mask in the variant broccoli, pomegranate and avocado. I would probably go for avocado because I need that supple glow and nourishment to the skin. So here we go. We put on the mask for 10 minutes and then I begin with our makeup. So I have never really tried Tolly Molly sheet mask before, but I don't think it is so good because the sheet mask is too thick, and a serum is a lot, like they have a lot of serum in it, but the sheet mask is too thick. I absolutely love sheet masks because they are so convenient, but they are not environmental friendly, and I think the serum bottle that we get in the market is much more convenient to use. Like this is one time use sheet mask, okay, and a lot of serum gets wasted. So I mean, sheet mask is a good option, but a bottle of serum is better than that. So I would probably go with a vitamin C serum next time. Okay, I look funny, but it is what it is. So I'll wait for 10 minutes and meet you all. Oh my god, it is a lot of serum, but we're gonna massage it a little bit and let that seep it into our skin. So I'll go in upward motion. This is a makeup video turning into a skincare video, but let's do this. So this is what my skin looks. I think the sheet mask has done a pretty good job. I love the serum because it satisfies everything that it claims. So moving on to the next step, and that is moisturizer. So I gave them 2 options, and they were a gel moisturizer or a creme moisturizer, and 52 of them chose creme moisturizer. So here I have the Biotique's Morning Nectar. It is a good, like a bomb moisturizer. It hydrates and nourishes your skin, but the only problem I have with this is it has a very strong flowery smell. That's the only problem with this. Other than that, it is great. So if you don't like a very strong smell from your moisturizer, then avoid. Other than that, you can use it. So my skin is already nourished from the sheet mask, so I'll put a very little amount of moisturizer. Okay, so the canvas is ready. Now moving on to the base, I gave them two options of concealer or foundation. I really want concealer to win because I'm not in the mood to do a full-fledged foundation look. So let's see. And yeah, concealer won by 57% and foundation was on 43. So let's conceal everything, but before that we use an orange corrector to camouflage our dark circles and spots. So done with the correction of dark circles. Now we'll move on to the concealer, and I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium bisque. This concealer is a holy grail. I mean, you get the perfect natural coverage with this, and they also have a quite good shade palette to choose from. I got my perfect shade, although it blends like magic. And if you guys are assuming why I am looking there, it is because I have my mirror there. It looks a little oily on my forehead and around my mouth. That is because the moisturizer has done its thing. So we'll fix it up with some powder or compact. So let's see what you guys have chose. Okay, so 56% of you all chose a loose powder. So today I'm gonna use Sugar Cosmetics loose powder. It's all set to go translucent powder. So, oh god. So we'll set our under eye. So using a damp beauty blender, I'll set my under eye and the region around my mouth. This works good, like the translucent powder I'm using, it works good. It just mattifies everything, like all the oil around the nose area, the mouth area, the forehead. Like it's good for oily and a combination skin. I'll keep this for around 1 or 2 minutes and then dust it off. Now let's move on to the eyes. And the options were graphic colored or neutral, and 71%, that's a huge margin. 71% of you all said a neutral and 29% of you all said graphic colored. So let's do a brown, smoky, neutral eye look. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this palette, and the shade I'll use is this Sandalwood and this Henna. So these two are neutral colors, like it is brown, but I'll mix it with the Sandalwood, tap out the excess, and then directly go into the crease. I'll apply some on my lids because I'm not gonna use any shimmer. So first applying it on the crease and then taking it down to the lid. Now doing the same for the next eye. Neutral eye is something that I personally love to do. Like if you don't have anything, then just go with a little brown or beige color, then some lipstick and or lip gloss, and you're good to go. This is it. I am done with my eyes, but to add a little color, I'll use a black liner and draw a baby wing that will complement my nude eyes. So I'm gonna use my standard Lakme Insta eyeliner and draw a baby wing. Okay, so I'm finally done with the eyeliner. I know they don't look exact similar because wing liners are meant to be friends and not twin sisters, and they aren't babies anymore. So I've got the staple wing liner. Now I'll remove the baking that was sitting for so long. Now moving on to the rest of the canvas, that means the cheeks, the nose and the lips. Before that, I'll fill my eyebrows and do my lashes and be right back. Moving on to the blush, highlight. I don't contour or bronze usually, so I didn't put any pole for a blush cause I don't have any new blush. So going on with the staple standard Freedom powder blush on the apples of the, I literally can't speak, man. Now going on the apples of my cheeks and dragging it to my ears. So one tip, if you apply too much of blush, you can take a damp beauty blender. This is a mini one, and you can dab it on your blush. It will take all the excess blush powder and you'll be left with the perfect flushy cheeks. So moving on to the second last poll of this video, and that's the highlight. So I asked my audience that do they prefer a liquid highlighter or a powder highlighter, and 55% of them said powder highlighter. So I'll be using my Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Rose Gold, and my Real Techniques highlighter brush. It is not a highlighter brush, but I use it because it is too precise. So I'll apply it on the high points of my face, on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, and a little on my chin, and that's it. Okay, so to wrap up this video, the last poll we have is the lips, and for lips I have given two options. One is nude, of course, and the other is colored. Here I have my lipstick. It is a combination lipstick, of course. First one I have is this Maybelline New York in the shade Soho News, and the other one I have is this Nykaa's Hot Shot Espresso. So I'll apply the brown first. It glides perfectly. And to balance out the brown, I have my nude. I'll just dab. God, it is the perfect shade of nude that I like. And now using a small beauty blender, I'll blend everything out. Like, if it is not properly blended, it won't look good. So I'll dab everything in and blend it all. And yeah, we are done with our makeup. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I am so satisfied with this look. I really love your choices. Okay, comment down and tell me if you guys love it too. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification button besides it to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I'll meet you very soon in my next video. Until then, XO XO.